is the cheeky one.
James
Is vain but not so firm.
Percy
Pulls the mail on time.
Gordon
Thunders down the line.
Emily
Really knows her stuff.
Henry
Toots and huffs and puffs.